In today's video, I'm going to teach you the art of creating a stunning landing page from scratch. The process may seem daunting at first, but by the end of our time together, you'll see just how manageable it can be. We're going to take it step by step. So let's get started. First, we need to head over to your editor. Now, on the left side, you'll notice a menu option labeled Pages and Menu. Go ahead and click on that. This is your main hub for managing all the pages on your website. At the top of this panel, you'll see an option to Add Page. Give it a click. Here, you'll be presented with various page templates to choose from. Take a moment to browse through them and find the one that best suits your needs. Once you've picked the perfect template, you'll need to give your new landing page a name. Think about what the page's main purpose will be, as this will help you choose a name that is both descriptive and succinct. Once you've settled on a name, hit Done to save your changes. With our page created, we're going to tailor it specifically to our needs, starting by removing any elements that might distract from the main content. This means taking out the header and footer. To do this, locate your new page on the list and click the More Actions icon beside it. In the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Then navigate to the Layouts tab. You'll find an option for No Header and Footer. Select that option and you'll see the header and footer disappear from your page, allowing visitors to focus solely on the content we're about to create. Now, if building a landing page from scratch feels a tad bit overwhelming, there's also an alternative route you can take, which involves using a pre-existing landing page template. To start, go once again to your editor and in the same Pages and Menu area on the left, scroll down to the bottom of the panel and click +Add Menu Item. From there, click New Page. On the next screen, click Landing Page from the menu on the left. You'll be presented with a range of professionally designed templates specifically for landing pages. Hover over any of these templates that catch your eye and click Add Page. Just as we did before, you'll need to type the name of the page in the field provided. Once that's complete, click Done. And there you have it. With these instructions, you've not only learned how to create a landing page from scratch, but also how to make use of specialized templates. Whether you're aiming for a unique custom look or a polished pre-designed template, you now have the skills to bring your vision to life. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to create amazing landing pages of your own.